Hi everyone, this is Sandra. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm very excited to share this with you today. It is my Sephora Springtime Rouge VIB haul. So I am a Rouge member and I think this haul just kind of bumped me up to be good until next year. All that aside, the only reason I got some new products was to show you guys and just kind of to show you how they worked, the kind of new products that are on the market, the products that I love. I do have some that I'm just kind of filling up to replenish ones I've already kind of finished. So let's get into this haul. I'm very excited to show you guys. And we're going to start with face products. So the first item I got was this Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Oil. I've tried the balm. I do not get the balm because I don't like, and mind you, it's really, really good for traveling, but for home, I love this stuff. I put 2 pumps into my hand, put it on my face before adding water, and it takes off my makeup in literally 30 seconds. I love it. I will never use anything different. I said this before in my skincare video. I will never use anything different unless Clinique takes the stuff away. So that is the first item, and that stuff is like a live or die. I cannot not use that. The next face item I have is this Origins High Potency Night-A-Mins Resurfacing Cream. So as you'll recall in my last skincare video, I do have the Origins Daytime Ginseng Lotion. So I've got a cream and I've got a gel. And this stuff, honestly, I tried a sample of it and that's kind of why I bought it. It is the best night cream. So it is a night cream, the best night cream I have ever used in my life. And it literally makes your skin feel so soft. Honestly, guys, this cream works so good. I highly recommend. This is a smaller container, so it wasn't as expensive as a large one. This I would recommend. Like, if you're going to buy anything in this haul, get this. And maybe the makeup remover, because that stuff is awesome. But this, the best night cream I've used, hands down. Alright, so now moving away from skincare products, here's a couple of eye and eyebrow products. So this guy here is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Liquid Eyeliner. And I saw a couple of reviews online that were not that good, only because apparently this brush tends to fray if like after a couple uses. So I haven't used it obviously, but I will try it and I will let you guys know. And kind of excited to try it. I have mostly Tarte liquid liners and a couple of various ones from Ipsy Glam Bakes, so I'm kind of excited to try it. Yeah, I also have another Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade, and this is the shade Taupe. So I do have also ash brown, and like, for instance, today, I did not use my ash brown dip brow pomade because it is so dark, and I've been kind of liking a lighter look for summer just to kind of let the skin shine and maybe the eyes and the lips. But for fall, I love a dark eyebrow. But this is going to be perfect for my summertime looks, and I'll try this in my next makeup video for you guys. So I do have another Tarte High Performance Natural Foundcealer Multitasking Foundation, and as you guys recall, I do have one here. This is the shade 42N Tan Neutral, and I got it in a more wearable shade. I am using the Tan Neutral now because I have tanned, and it like goes perfectly with my skin color, but this is medium golden 35G. So even this one, I find it's a little bit more ashy for my skin tone, so I wouldn't mind mixing the golden with the tan because I'm more of a golden tan rather than like a neutral tan. So I think this will work out well, and then this will kind of help going into fall as well. Back to my more pale skin tone for fall once my tan starts to fade. Okay, speaking of tan, actually I'm going to slip this in here because we're kind of in that family. I also got this to try it out. So this is the Tarte Brazilliance Plus tanning, like selfless tanner. And I have tried this. So I have put it on my legs and my shoulders, my arms, and it doesn't work as well on me. But I think for somebody who has really light skin tone, I think this would work great. So when you first put it on, and you wait for it to dry, and I think you can wait 10 minutes. You can wear clothes after 10 minutes, and then you're supposed to wash it off after it's had time to develop, so about 8 hours. So when you're first waiting for it to dry, I do notice sometimes it can go on streaky even with the mitt that it comes with, but then once you wash it off, it gives you a really nice all over tan. It's just my skin tone is already really, really dark, so I didn't notice it as much as someone with a lighter skin tone would notice it, but I highly recommend. It's still, there's a lot of reviews on this product, and they say that it doesn't smell like tanning, like the tanning smell that everybody knows and they don't always love. This does smell like that. So it doesn't have a new, fresh, clean smell. It smells like selfless tanner, you guys. That's just kind of what you'd expect any selfless tanner to smell like. It is what it is. It's what you get. So the next item I'd like to show you guys is this Hollywood Flawless Filter. And this is by Charlotte Tilbury, and I have been so excited to try this product because it has been featured on YouTube quite a bit. I'm not so sure about Instagram, but YouTube, I know Desi Perkins loves this stuff. And another girl that I like to follow, her name is Emily Jean. She uses it as well, and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to have it too. So I did get the tan shade. This is the number 5 tan. This is what the bottle looks like. So it's so pretty. It's got this rose gold cap, and it does have a doe foot applicator, just like this. And it is basically, you can use it as a primer. You can use it as kind of more of a natural highlight for your face. And you can also use it as a mixing medium to mix into your foundation. I haven't really had a chance to use it yet, so I will also feature this on my channel. And I'm very excited to try that for you guys because it is just another one of those glowy products that gives you an all over glow, and it's going to look fabulous for summer. Okay, another item I have here is the Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder. I have wanted to try this forever. I find it very difficult to find a setting powder that I love for both my face and under my eye. My under eye is very, very dry, even in summer, and this I heard is not, and it works. So I'm going to use this as well in my next video. Have not opened it yet. It is so cool. It's got this little well, and you'll just open up that little plastic piece there. It's hard to see because my light is reflecting on it. And that is what it looks like. It is so cute. And not even cute, it's very elegant, which I love. So I will give my review on that product when I do use it. Very excited for that though. Okay, another product here is a bronzer. Surprise! It's summer. So I have wanted to try this as well. So I know there's a lot of hype about the Fenty bronzers because they just came out and people said they're amazing. But I looked at them. Not only is the packaging very, very small, and the product itself, you don't get a whole bunch in the container, but the shades I looked at that I was kind of around that shade range, I didn't like the color of it. I didn't like the undertone. And you know, I could probably try it and I'd probably love it. And I did talk to a Sephora rep, and she said that one, it doesn't have a lot of fallout, so it seems to last forever. But I also heard a lot of hype about this guy, the Marc Jacobs Omega Bronze Coconut Perfect Tan. And now this is the shade Tan-Tastic 104, and I just want to show you guys what this packaging looks like. So I'd say not very good for traveling, but it is very, very skinny, so it will fit practically anywhere. It is a white compact. This is the other side here, and it has, you just press this little button to click it open, and it has this huge pan of color. So with the right brush, you could use this on your body, you could use it on your face, and it's just perfect because I do have the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. It's probably about the same shade, but this one is completely matte, which I personally love. And I've wanted to try this product for a long time because I have been told that it is amazing. So again, I will try it out for you guys and let you know how I like it. Okay, so another item, I was really hemming and hawing about this, and oh, you guys, I finally got it. It's this Too Faced contour, cocoa contour, and I thought when I first started watching videos on this product that it was going to be too red for me. And I open it up, so this is what it looks like. It's got better packaging than the previous contour kit that they have. And it's matte on the top and shiny gold color, or brown, almost brass on the bottom, but it's very heavy, so it feels very nice. And it doesn't smell like their other cocoa products. It actually smells more of a rich, like dark chocolate, almost like the cocoa powder you can get in a big tin. These are the shades here. So this is a light highlight, medium highlight, and deep highlight. And now these are all the contour shades: light contour, medium contour, and deep contour. I feel like I can use all of these contour shades. So this is very ashy, but I think if I were to mix these two, I think it would be really, really nice. And this is probably one I won't use as much, but I could see it being used on myself as a blush. So something like this is good to have in your kit if you are going to do anyone else's makeup, because you don't know what skin tones you're going to be working with. And here you have kind of a variety to choose from, especially for bridal makeup. So I really like this, and I can't wait to try it out. You guys know when I did my contour video that I only had 2 palettes to choose from. I have my Tarte Park Ave Princess Chisel palette and my Kat Von D contour kit. So having another contour kit in my collection is kind of necessary, because especially if I want to expand and start doing makeup professionally, I need something like this. And I really want to try, like, I'm missing, of course, in my Tarte Park Ave Princess, my palette is broken, so unless I open up a new one, I'm missing the highlighter shades, which I really like. So very excited to try that bad boy. This is also another item that I've wanted. I wanted the large, like Benefit came out with a larger palette, but I already have all of the colors, all of the blushes, all of the bronzers. I don't need any more. And all I really wanted was the new highlight that is in this kit. So this is the Benefit Cheek Leader Mini Bronze Squad. And what's included in here is the blush, it's the Gold Rush blush, the Hoola bronzer, which I have, and then the new highlighter shade Cookie. So this is kind of what I was after. And I figured, why not get the mini? Because with all of the different palettes I have, I don't think I'll be blowing through this anytime soon. But here it is. And I just think that this is such a pretty highlight. I'll just kind of put it on my hand here for you guys. It's so pretty. It's so bright. I think it's going to be a perfect shade. It's not too pink. It's not too bronze. And I can't wait to try it out for you guys. And needless to say, it's tiny. Like, this will fit when, like, if you go traveling or in your purse, even if you just need a little compact just to look at the mirror, it's perfect. So 2 more, and now these are both eyeshadow palettes. And oh, I don't know which one to show first. I'm so excited. Okay, so this guy here, the Too Faced Natural Lust eyeshadow palette. So this is one of the very first items I got in this haul, and I've been waiting forever to use this because I really wanted to show you guys before I went in and started swatching and making makeup tutorials on this palette. So I'll show you what the inside looks like, and I know there have been quite a few reviews already on this, so I'm excited to kind of add my 2 cents to it. And those are all the shades. So I didn't even hear about the Natural Love palette that came prior to this one, and I'm not even going to bother getting it, because like those shades, I couldn't not, like, look at the sparkly pinks. I'm obsessed with like bronze skin and sparkly pink eyes. I don't know what it is. I've done a couple looks like that already and I just love it. But I'm excited to kind of play around with this peacocking shade here and maybe Pin Down, which is that bright fuchsia in the corner. And we're going to get lots of fun out of this palette. So very excited to try that for you guys. And now the very last shadow palette that I have is this guy here. So honestly, guys, when I watched Tati's video when she tried the Foundcealer and this palette that her mom bought for her, I had to check it out. I was kind of hemming and hawing about getting it for the last month or so, whenever it came out, or maybe 2 months. And after I saw her video, I had to. I don't have, like, isn't that so cool? I don't have any palettes that contain sparkly pressed shadows. And the palette is actually called, let me read it here, Tarte Rainforest of the Sea, High Tides, and Good Vibes Eyeshadow Palette. So I love the packaging. I think that this is one of those products where people buy it because they just love the packaging. The shade range inside, like for the actual matte shades, I'm not too impressed with. I mean, I have lots of these colors, and if they'd had more of like a neutral palette with like really sparkly shades, it might have drawn my interest more, because like this is cool, but I mean, now I have the Blue Blood palette by Jeffree Star, which is rockin', so I honestly don't know if I would use a lot of the pink shades. The one, or the couple of shades interest me the most in this palette, actually, is this one here, which is called Buried Gold, and it's kind of, it's not really a gold color, it's more of a skin colored sparkly shade. So definitely sparkle in there. This here is more of a satin, and I love this color. So it reminds me very much of what I have on my eyes right now. This is the shade Galapagos, and then as well the sparkly shades here. So I'm very excited to maybe try playing around with those. And I think the easiest way to apply them is with your finger, so I can't wait to try them. And that is it, you guys, for this haul. And I was very excited. I know I have kind of a lot of products, but I got a super good deal, and it's a good time to rack up those Rouge points too, and then you can go online and just get some free products from the store. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. I know I did. I can't wait to play around with these products. Very, very excited, and I'm going to have many more makeup looks for you. We're going to try out these products together, kind of give my review, my opinion on them, and I will let you know in the future. So if you want to see those videos, be sure to subscribe. Hit that bell button down below to be notified every time I post a new video, and you won't miss a thing. And we will see you guys next time for another makeup tutorial. Until next time, you guys, have a great day. We'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.